Hi, welcome to KV's Plants and Orchids. In this video, I'll show how can you make the money plant leaves big. See, the leaves in this plant is very big. So in the beginning it was small, then now it has slowly started to grow big. This leaf is very big. There's some damage due to this changing from one place to another. See, first thing is you have to have a big pot. If it is having big pot means more potting mixture and more fertilizer, and it will have more of everything. So money plant, usually what we do is we put it in small containers, so it will grow small only. If you really want it to grow big, you can change the container to big containers, and to give more fertilizer also. Not the regular fertilizer, you should give some extra fertilizer. So to start with, how will you start growing a money plant? First, you can see every node contains aerial roots. So here you can see I have cut a small portion and put it in water for 1 month. It is almost 1 month now. So some aerial root have come and even small leaves have appeared. So I'll show you. See, this is where I have kept all the cuttings. Some I just took it out to show you people. So everything was sitting inside this bottle only in water. Okay, in this small thing. So if you want to start money plant growing, you can start like this. So, and then you should plant it in potting mixture once the root develops. So for that you can have regular potting soil with a little bit of coco peat extra to give the moisture. It likes moisture. Here you are seeing another money plant which I am trying to grow in a moss stick. So for that, what I have done is I have taken a pot and in the center I have fixed the moss stick, and throughout the sides of the pot I have planted. So now it has grown like this. Now if I have to make it climb the moss stick. So this is how you make a moss stick with lot of money plants. So first you have to have a moss stick fixed, and around it you have to plant small plants, and then it will start climbing. So this is now some are grown, see. So now what I will do is I will tie it. I will take them up, and when I tie it with the moss stick, it will start clinging to the moss stick and it will look good. In this pot, instead of moss stick, this is a kadapa stone which was lying there. So I just kept it, and the plant was also growing on it. So I thought, okay, let it be a different thing. So I have done it like that. And fertilizing, to make it big, you should have more calcium to it. Either you can put, if you have eggshells, you can break the eggshells and put or you can buy chalk pieces and make it powder and put. Some people even put milk for it, but this is far more better to add this eggshells or the chalk pieces, or you can buy even small pouch. A small pouch you will get for 30 rupees. That is the 30 rupees is this thing here in nearby my house. You can add a little bit of, it will be gold things will be there. You can add little bit once in 3 months, then you get big leaves. See, here the leaves are, see, you can compare the leaves, small. The pot is also small. Here the leaves are big. See the, actually the leaves are as big as my hand. This leaf is bigger than that. Okay. So this is how you make the leaves bigger for your money plant. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.